Are you new to finance and you're looking for the best videos to get started? Well, look, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. But I'll tell you something. If you're feeling confused by all the financial terms and concepts, you're not alone. Many people want to learn about money, but they don't know where to begin. And that's why in this video, we're going to show you the best finance videos on YouTube for beginners. These videos are going to help you understand the basics and set you up for financial success. All right? So here are 5 amazing channels and videos to check out. So you got Stephan, a YouTuber who explains finance in simple, easy to understand ways. There's also the Financial Diet. You really have to check that one out. You know, the Financial Diet offers tips on budgeting, saving, managing money in your everyday life. So it's amazing. You got Nate O'Brien, which talks about personal finance and smart investing in a way that's fun and clear to understand. You got Andre Jickich, that shares his journey with investing and budgeting, and building wealth in an easy to follow format. You got Investing with Rose, which provides beginner-friendly videos on how to start investing and building wealth. So check out those 5 channels. I'll leave them in the description. These videos are going to give you the knowledge and the confidence that you need to make smart money decisions. So don't wait. Start your financial journey. And if you enjoyed these videos, leave me a like. I love you.